Paneer popcorn is a great appetizer. I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe. So let's get started. Detailed ingredients are given in the description below. Take 200 grams of grated paneer in a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder. Add 1 teaspoon of chilli flakes. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon oregano. 1 teaspoon chaat masala powder. And some salt to taste. Mix them together and keep it aside. Now, take about 2 tablespoons of corn flour and add some water to make a thin batter. Make sure there are no lumps formed. And take some breadcrumbs in a plate. Now take the paneer mixture and make popcorn-sized balls. Dip it in the corn flour batter. This helps in binding. And roll it over breadcrumbs. Drop them into hot oil. Deep fry till it's crispy and golden brown. Sprinkle some chaat masala. Do try and enjoy this snack and share your comments. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more such videos.